What's going on today, everybody? Today we have 5 exterior modifications for your STI that cost under $100. So this list isn't groundbreaking, as you can figure. For $100 or less, you're not going to get a whole lot. Anybody who modifies their cars knows that $100 don't get you very far. Just jump right into it here. I arranged the list from least expensive to most expensive. So number 1 on the list is tunnel signal indicators, or tunnel turn signal indicators. Basically what it is, it's a little piece of plastic. You got a knockout on your mirror that you put this piece of plastic in. It creates a pathway for your blinker light to shine from behind the vehicle. It's pretty cool. It's a little safety feature, you know, so the cars behind you can see your blinker a little bit better. Pay more than $20 for these. You can find these on eBay. If you pay more than 20 bucks, you've probably overpaid, but you can find them on eBay for $15 to $20. So like I say, at the end of the day, it's just a little tiny piece of plastic, and 20 bucks is about top of the mark. So running into number 2 on the list are the LED plate lights. I think my brand that I had was Diode Dynamics. Again, you can find these wherever online for $10 to $20, depending upon again what brand you go with and where you actually buy them from. Again, just increases the light above the license plate, so obviously the cops behind you can see you and get your plate number a little bit better. So number 3 on the list, we've got the headlight and taillight tint. I'm a fan of the headlight and taillight tints. I don't like to replace the OE taillights with aftermarket taillights. That's just, I've done that in the past and they just tend to leak a lot, but for, you know, 50, 60 bucks, you can get headlight and taillight tint. These are premium auto styling, and they've been on the car now for over 3 years and they haven't came off yet. In my opinion, for the amount of money that they are, they do enhance the looks of the STI quite a bit. Number 4 on the list is the OLM lower mirror cover. And as we all know, you get that hard plastic, just kind of flat, nasty black plastic on these mirrors. And with the OLMs, you can paint match to your car, so it makes it look a little bit nicer overall. You know, you're looking at about 70 bucks. You can find these at Subi Speed, Rally Sport Direct. Just wherever you can find the best deal is probably where you need to get it. At number 5 is the full front, rear, and side badges. The Subaru badges on the front and the rear, and the fender badges. I don't know if anybody can agree with me, but the factory fender badges, especially with that chrome, I don't think the chrome really goes with anything. Now the OEM Subaru badges and stars, you know, those are okay, but the fender badges definitely have to go. But you can typically get this in a full set, again, depending upon what you do and where you buy it from. For about 100 bucks, you can get all of it. And the badges sometimes are overlays on the front and rear, and the fender badges, you can usually get a black or whatever color you're choosing with a different color STI or WRX on the inside. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.